So, one of the joys in life every once in a while is to have a special occasion treat, even if it's not necessarily a special occasion. Hey, this is Jan from New York City. My channel name is Jan from New York City Saves Money. I love, love, love helping people to keep more of their hard-earned money. How you doing today? So I thought I'd pop on since this is November and we are rapidly approaching the holiday season. You may want to keep this classic recipe handy. I've done it. I love it. It's quite good. Wish I could make it now, but I am reserving it for if I do have anything like that for this special treat holiday time coming up. Now, what am I talking about? I'm talking about the Philly Classic Cheesecake. If you have never tried it, oh my gosh, I strongly suggest that you do. The really thing that I love the most is guess what? That the ingredients are quite common. And you more than likely may have every single thing already. This month of November is a great time to stock up on barred cream cheese, or as they call it, a brick of cream cheese. Okay, here you go. So let's get everything ready. What you would need, what you will need rather, to do this is 1 1/4 cups of graham crumbs. Next, 1/4 cup of melted butter. Next, 3 packs of Philly cream cheese brick. Okay. And make sure that the cream cheese is softened. Next, 3/4 cup of sugar. That's regular white granulated sugar. Next, 3 eggs. What I like to do with eggs whenever I bake, I like to keep them out at room temperature a little bit beforehand. So here's what you need to do. You're going to preheat your oven to 350. You're going to use your springform pan. And here's what you're going to do. You're going to mix the graham cracker crumbs or graham crumbs with the melted butter. You're going to place them onto a 9-inch springform pan, pressing down. Then you're going to beat the cream cheese and the sugar in a large bowl with the mixer until well blended. Then you're going to add eggs, one at a time, until blended. Then you're going to pour that mixture over the crust. You will also bake this between 35 to 45 minutes or until the center is set. When it's done, you're going to run a knife around the rim of the pan to loosen the cake before removing from the pan. Then you're going to refrigerate for about 4 hours plus, minimum 4 hours before serving. What they say that I've heard in other recipes for cheesecakes is that the longer you let it wait a little more longer, it sort of kind of ripens, if you will. I guess all the flavors seem to come together and the textures seem to come together. Not a bad recipe to prepare, let's say in the evening, and keep it in your refrigerator overnight for the next day. Oh my gosh, because then that's beyond 4 hours. And that's an easier way to pass those 4 hours of temptation to want to touch the cake. This is so good. And I'm telling you, it is really affordable. And especially right now, with the cream cheese is on sale. It's an easy method. Some people do an abbreviated version of the ingredients and they pour it into a pre-made pie plate mixture, the ones with the done up already graham cracker crust. That's not a bad idea either. It's just a thought to consider. So I just thought I'd pop on, so also just to mention, some people put like fruit on the top, like those cherries, put a little bit of those cherries on the top to make it a cherry cheesecake. But to me, in its own state, natural state, just like that, to me, that is perfect for me. I didn't see any mention of vanilla extract or anything. But in my opinion, it couldn't hurt if you like vanilla extract to put a capful of it in the mixture. This is my opinion. Also, if you have graham crackers, I have also worked with like crushing them by myself, and I've gone the extra step and even have used the cinnamon graham crackers too for the crust, whatever you want. But this is the basic bare bones necessity of how to make this cheesecake. It is totally affordable to make it. Now, if you go outside and buy a cheesecake like this, I can promise you it's going to be expensive. This is something you can easily assemble, have a little fun, and turn any day actually throughout the year into a special occasion. I just thought I'd share with you. Have an amazing day, everybody. Take good care now. Bye bye.